Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and in this video I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for a formula pattern scale in the key of D Harmonic Minor. We will cover both 2-octave formula pattern and 4-octave formula pattern. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to review the notes in a D Harmonic Minor scale. So we've got Do is D, Re, E, Me, F, Fa, G, So, A, Lay, B flat, T, C sharp, and Do. The fingering for the scale is cross under 3, cross under 4 for both hands, cross over with 3, and cross over with 4. So there's a couple things to keep in mind as we're working on these formula pattern scales. The first thing you want to consider is, are your hands moving together in parallel motion, going the same direction, up or down? Or are they moving in contrary motion, which means the opposite direction? One hand is going up the scale and one hand is going down the scale, like this. So if you can organize all of your scales into parallel or contrary, then you will find yourself very successful with these formula pattern scales. So take a look at the chart up above and you will see how the scale is organized. So if there's thin lines like that, that's a parallel section, and the diamond sections are the out and in or contrary motion section. So we'll be going up 1 octave, so parallel, then out, in, that's a contrary section, then up, down, out, in, and then back down. We're going to lock in the fingering and the changes by doing the scale first with a short and long rhythm. So we'll start with Do and Do. Here we go. Right hand under 3, left hand over with 3. Here's our big augmented second. Right hand's going to continue on up, left hand's going to change direction. Contrary, we're going out, and then in. Contrary motion, the hands feel different, even if they're playing the same finger. Now left hand's going to continue on up, right hand's going to change direction. Parallel, and parallel again, on the way down. Hand's going to continue on down, right hand's going to go out, contrary, and then in. Right hand continues on down, cross with 4. Now we'll do that whole scale one more time without the dotted rhythms. Up, parallel. Right hand keeps going, left hand turn around, contrary. And then contrary, in. Parallel. Right hand turns around, up. Then down. Left hand's going to continue on down. Right hand change direction, out and in. In. Right hand continues on down. We've got parallel. Now if you take a look at the chart above, the only thing that changes when we change from 2-octave to 4-octave formula pattern scales is the length of the segment. So when we were doing 2 octaves, our length of segment was 1 octave. Now, we'll set our hands up 1 octave apart, but each section will be 2 octaves. So 2 octaves up, 2 octaves out, 2 octaves in, up, down, out, in, and back down. So let's do that. One more octave. Right hand's going to keep going contrary. Left hand turned around. And then in, contrary. watching this short video on how to play a formula pattern scale in the key of D Harmonic Minor. We covered 2 octaves and 4 octaves. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique, piano literature, and quick piano tips. Thanks again for watching.